Hey guys, how's it going? How to navigate the Bluehost dashboard. So after you log in with your account, you're gonna see the home dashboard, right? This is your home dashboard right now, okay? And once you logged in, you will see the main dashboard. This displays an overview of your hosting account, including website stats and services, okay? And menu options, you're gonna see my sites, you're gonna see the domain name, Google Workspace, hosting, and security, right? In the websites, you're gonna see right here the account manager. You will manage the website tab, and you're gonna see right here the email management or Google Workspace, where you can control your email. With the new account manager, you will have workspace or professional cloud email by clicking side navigation menu to the left. And you have for the cPanel, click the hosting tab from from the left side, and then scroll down and then click the cPanel email, right? You're gonna see right here the server information, and you're gonna see the domain management. You can control your domains from here, right? You're gonna see your domains that are logged, active, dependent on the situation. For domains registered elsewhere and management, in the side navigation menu to the left, then scroll down under the quick links, and then once the cPanel loads, scroll down and then scroll down or up and manage domains from there. And you have the security option where you can add you can see the SSL SSL certification, which adds another layer of protection. With that new account manager, you will have the in security products right here and tools from there, and you have the advanced tab, right, where you can see your with the new account manager. There is the hosting tab from the side navigation menu, the cPanel button under the quick links, right here on the right. You'll be able to see it. Using the account manager in contrast to the previous ROG interface can seem like significant shift, but you will get used to it by familiarizing yourself with these areas to efficiently manage your hosting and website. And you have, of course, the section for support, where you can talk to or seek help or support section, where you can access FAQs and contact customer support. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.